Hello. Are you an artist who just absolutely loves paper? Maybe you collect piles of paper, all sorts of ephemera, or maybe you're a printmaker who really enjoys printing papers, but haven't really discovered or figured out how to use them in the most effective way in your own artwork. Well, my name is Sharon Saccone, and I love paper that much. I am constantly collecting and preparing and making papers of my own. I'm also a mixed media artist and painter. And when I take all of these papers that I've collected and put them together to make something that really ignites me, then I know I found the correct solution for myself. I'm an artist who really enjoys flora or fauna, but it doesn't matter what your subject matter is. There are so many ways that collage can really change and create incredible depth in your artwork without losing your own voice. If this sounds interesting to you, I have just started a paste and paper playground, which is a membership just for artists who want to experiment and play. No matter where you are in your journey, we can start right there and then we can continue working until we get to the place where we have found our voice, we have found our style, we have found the way that we want to use collage in our own mixed media work. I've been an art teacher for over 30 years, and I've been working with collage for as long as I can remember. It's just something that really speaks to my voice. And that's what I want you to have. I am creating a membership for artists who crave community, who want to work with others and learn from them, and to also keep or create a voice that is truly our own. There's no copying in art making if you're not doing the things that really spark your own creativity. Then you're not working to the best of your ability. So what I'm offering is lots and lots of techniques, skills, concepts, and ways of working that you can incorporate and find your own way in using, all within a really vibrant community of artists who are just as excited to explore, experiment, and of course, play. So if you are interested in this idea, I would love to invite you to be a founding member in my membership. In our membership, we are going to have lots of different ways of exploring concepts and exploring skills. And as a founding member, you will be locked into this price for as long as you want to be a member. As a founding member, we're going to build our site together. We're going to build this membership around all of the things that we're interested in. I am so excited to teach you everything I know, but I'm also really excited to learn from you. So if you're interested, please check out all of the information below. I would absolutely love to be your guide in the mess of paper and possibilities. So I hope you'll join me and other members in the Paste and Paper Playground. I hope to see you